Hi, in this short video I'm going to talk to you about the difference between margin and padding in CSS. So even though they can be used in similar ways, they're actually quite different. And it's important to make the difference between the two. And it can be quite confusing for people starting with CSS and HTML. So let's say you have an HTML element here. So I'm talking about the green box with the black border. The black border is basically the delimitation of that box. Now, when you define a margin, you can define a top margin, left and right margin, and bottom margin. That basically determines how that box is going to behave next to other boxes. So it's tells between the space between the border of the box and any other neighboring boxes. That's the margin. The padding works differently. The padding is how far away the content inside the box will be from its actual borders. So, for example, here, all the green zone would be the padding, and the blue zone would be the content. Now, the padding works exactly like the margin in the sense that you can define a padding top, bottom, left, and right. So that's basic difference between the two. Just note that when you write actually the padding and margin down in the CSS, you can either use the padding top, padding bottom, etc. tags, or you can write it faster by just writing the sizes one after the other. Now when you do that, you start by the top one and then it goes clockwise. So that's pretty easy. Here, for example, the padding would be 20 pixels top, 80 pixels right, 10 pixels bottom, and 40 pixels left. Okay, well here you go. I hope you understood the difference between padding and margin. And well, if you didn't, you can always contact me on my profile. Thank you.